Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you how you can multi-stream with OBS Studio. First, download and install multiple RTMP outputs plugin. Then open OBS Studio. Then go to the top left under Docs, and then click Multiple Output, and make sure that it has a check on the side. It will show the multi-output plugin. Click the docs again, and make sure that the lock docs are unchecked, and drag the multiple output plugin on the side of the OBS screen. Make sure that your OBS settings are set to a certain platform where you can stream, like Twitch or YouTube. Click Add New Target, then copy the URL and the stream key of your stream. For example, on YouTube, go to the top right and find the upload icon, then click on Go Live. Once you're on inside of it, wait for it to load, then you'll find the URL and the stream key on the bottom of the YouTube screen. Copy the URL and stream key, then paste it in the OBS multi-output plugin. Click OK. Same thing process like Twitch or Kick if you want to make multi-stream at the same time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.